Namaste, everybody. Namaste.
Namaste.
This is Carter, my beloved, and I am teZa. And welcome again to another mind stiller, which I offer to the world, just so that everybody can be in tune with nature. And this is where we are. We are in nature. We are in a beautiful cypress forest at the very northern western tip of Uruguay. And across the way is Brazil. And across over there is Argentina. And we are at the crossroads of these three beautiful countries in South America on our South American journey.
And the confluence of two rivers right here. They're meeting right there. So that separates the three countries.
And the energy of nature, whenever we feel this energy of nature strongly, we always want to Om. And this is something that we have done throughout our 30 years together. And we just want to share it with you to show you another way of stilling the mind with sound. And together we will demonstrate how we do it whenever we're inspired to have this sacred moment with nature. So I just want to explain for those of you who are not familiar with Oming that the traditional way of thinking of Om is O-M, sounded like Om, rhyming with home sweet Om, but it really is different in Sanskrit, which is where the syllable Om originates from the Upanishads. And it is phonetically spelled in English A-U-M, and it's pronounced Ah-oum. Very different than Om. And so we're going to show you how to chant using those three syllables. And we start with the syllable of Ah, Ah, and we go into U, Oh, and with M. So it sounds like Ah-oum. Very different than Om. So we'll be doing 11 of these Ah-oums, and then we'll be going into a quiet time. And I won't speak anymore, and you can either join us in meditation or you can just go about your day after you hear us Oming with you. So we'll see you next time, and I'm going to stop talking now. Are you ready, Carter?
I'm ready.
So you take a deep breath in, and then you sound out with all this air that you've amassed from this beautiful big breath. Breathing in. Ah.